Okay, so we're back in our dashboard here, and I'm just going to show you, this is going to be a quick video because I just want to show you a few things that you do want to set up before you launch your site. A lot of people don't know about this or think about it, but it is going to help with categorizing your site and helping with SEO. So as you can see here on our dashboard, I went down to my settings. I'm going to be getting into some of these other settings, like the booking settings when I talk about bookings, or e-commerce when I talk about the e-commerce when I do that video. But for right now, all we're going to focus on is this business info and these website settings. So go ahead and click in business info. So this is just going to be your basic business information. I may have named the site, or this might see website 32 or something. So just go ahead and put your business name, what kind of business you have. If you can't find your exact business, just put the closest thing you can find, a description, upload your logo here, and then all of your information as far as location. So if you don't have a physical location, you can just put um, the general area here, and then your contact information. If you have a second location, you can add that here as well. And then of course, don't forget to, I didn't do anything, so it's not letting me save. Let's just put 2 there. So just make sure that you come through here and save that. So let's go ahead and go back to our settings, and now your website settings. I wanted to point out a few things. So again, your site name, and then your site address. So of course, this is going to change once you put your own custom URL here. And what I wanted to point out on this page is this favicon, and then your general social image. So your favicon is that little image that shows up above the browser next to your website name. So it is a good idea to just put a little image in there, maybe a logo or some kind of graphic or something. You can see here, that's where it's going to come up here. And then your general social image. So a lot of people don't know what this is. So if you ever share a website on Facebook, on Instagram, even if you message someone, direct message them on Instagram, or even if you text them, you'll notice that sometimes when you put in a URL, it just shows the URL, and sometimes it shows a nice little image about that page. So that is this general social image. That's going to be the image that's shared if you share any of your pages anywhere on social media or you text someone. So this is the general social image. And then I wanted to show you something really quick. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of your editor here. But if you'll notice, and don't worry if this is looking like, you're not familiar with it yet, I just wanted to point this out. You come in here to manage pages, and you go to social share. There's also a place for you to put an image for each individual page. So if there is a specific page that you share a lot on social media, you're messaging people a lot, you may want to go into Canva and create an image specifically for that page. If the page does not have its own image, then every page is going to share that general social image. So that's it for this video. But again, I wanted to make sure that that's something that you set up before you launch your site, just to make sure everything is being indexed right and you really got your SEO on point.